𝗙𝗧𝗧𝗦. Don't touch me. Gosh. I done broke a nail. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Francia and I'm back with another video. Today's video is my infamous Amazon haul, you guys. I have a shopping problem, I would say. Is it a problem if you acknowledge it? I don't know what my therapist would say. But let's get straight into the video. I ordered quite a few things from Amazon and they are in no particular order. So I'm gonna open them in no particular order and see what we got, and I'll let you guys know why I got them. So this is first up because it's the closest to my hand. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, look, you guys. So this is a picnic basket. Oh, look, it zips up as well. There you go. So I got a picnic basket. You keep your stuff, your food hot or cold, whichever you prefer. Like if it's a pizza, you guys know what a thermal basket is used for. So that's that.
Coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and so pretty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you look at me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is fixed and gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't never
up, guys, rotation auto face track. That's what it's called. So I got this so that when I'm vlogging or if I'm doing some form of content, I don't have to hold the phone in my hand and move it when I'm moving. So this is standalone and basically tracks me or tracks my movements.
look like 𝗙𝗘𝗧𝗦.
I'm not gonna take it all out of the package. Creative moment for myself. But it also comes with the remote, you guys. See that? The instructions. It looks nice and sturdy. Can't wait to try that. Nice. It comes with a charger as well. Okay, next I have. Don't touch me. Next I have this. This Indian clay. I got this for facial mask. And child, not this pouring out on me. Yo, 𝗙𝗧𝗧𝗦. Gosh. I done broke a nail. Great. I don't want to stick my middle finger out, so I'm just gonna show you. This one is already broken. Mess on me. Anyway, for facials, acne, body wraps, clay baths, foot soaks, knee packs. Unify and refresh, just as Cleopatra used clay in her beauty ritual in ancient Egypt. Call me Cleopatra then. Yeah, I got that. I wanted to try it out and see what it's like because I've been needing to do a facial mask and I haven't done one in so such a long time. The masks that I usually do are egg mask, or I would do turmeric mask, or I would steam my face. But I wanted to try this Indian clay. You can also use it for your hair. I've seen people use that on their hair on TikTok. I'm not gonna be doing that, but next up is this. I done broke a nail. What's that? Ooh. I see ya. Ha! So this is an acrylic stand. You guys put like jewelry on top of it, or if I'm doing a product promo, I can, and if it's a tiny something, I could put it on top of here. But it's like really cute. Like, look, it's really cute. I just want to put everything on it now. Next we have shopaholic memory is not with me right now because I don't know what this is. That's it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching and tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this haul. Do let me know if you have any questions down in the comment. Links of the items shown here will be in the description box below. And disclaimer, this video is not at all sponsored. These are products that I stumbled across and figured that they'd be life changer to make my life easier, or I just had an urge. I will be doing another one of these very shortly, so make sure you're tuned in. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Bye, have a great time.